that again. Do that again. Oh, that looks good. Oh, perfect. Hey, Rob, give me the high five. That's a high, too. What's up there? Oh, there's the mast, though.
We missed.
Here, do it again. High five. Perfect. Whoa, that hurt. Livia.
Yes, darling.
Yes, darling.
Put the camera away.
Put the camera away. And just to prove, that I'm here, Lee.
Okay.
I'm here.
Are you enjoying your sailing?
I am. A lot.
Good boy.
We going to Cuba?
Yes.
We're going to Cuba.
Yes.
The swells are high. Okay. Better put the camera away. No, this is nothing. Okay. Another wave. Bye-bye, Lee.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.